In this video, I'll be going over how to find the volume of a cone. The formula for volume of a cone is 1/3 times area of the base times by height, or volume equals 1/3 pi r squared times by height. Below are two examples. I'll be going over each one. For the first example, we have a cone with a height of 5 feet and a radius of 3 feet. So plug in the formula. 1/3. The base of the cone is pi r squared. So we're gonna plug in the radius, which in this case is 3 feet. So pi times 3 squared. Then we want to times that by height, which is 5. So we will end up with 1/3. 3 times 2 is 9. So we have 9 pi times by 5. Then we will have 9 pi over 3 times by 5. And 9 over 3 is 3, so 3 pi times 5, which is 15 pi feet cubed. That will be the volume of the cone for the first example. For the second example, we have a diameter of 6 feet. So we need to first convert the diameter to radius. So we would take 6 feet, divide that by 2, and that gave us 3 feet. Now that we have the radius, we can plug in the formula. Volume equals 1/3 times pi r is 3 feet square. Then we want to times by height, which is 10 feet. Now to rewrite this, we will have 9 pi, then we want to times by 10. Then will be 9 pi over 3 times 10, and 9 over 3 is 3, so we have a 3 pi times 10, and at the end that will become 3 times 10 is 30, so 30 pi feet cubed. So 30 pi feet cubed is the answer for the second example. So these are two examples of how you will find the volume of a cone. You can memorize it. The formula is volume equals 1/3 area of the base times height, or the volume equals 1/3 pi r squared times by height. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.